Hi, this is Lillian with Salon of Scottsdale, and on behalf of expertvillage.com, I'm here to show you supplies that you'll need for your home permanent. First of all, we've already talked about the boxed perm that you'll buy at your drugstore, which comes complete with the wave lotion, the neutralizer, the plastic bag, and the end papers. You'll also need to buy, or you'll also need to have some cotton, and instead of the cotton balls, you could buy a strip of cotton. This they do sell at your supply house, even if you're not licensed. The only thing they don't sell at the supply house would be the perm, but you could also buy the plastic cape that's necessary and some clasps. For a perm, you never want to use metal clips, because they'll discolor the clip and kind of discolor your hair as well. You're going to need some hand towels, and you could use your good towels if you want. It's not going to ruin them. You could just wash them and they'll come out fresh again. You're going to need a timer. That's important in timing the type of curl that you want, and we'll talk about that a little bit later. And a comb, preferably with a tail, so that you could do the partings in your hair straight. And then you'll also need your perm rods. And the perm rods come in different sizes, and we'll talk about that in a later segment. But these are the basic supplies you're going to need for your home permanent.